Whiten your face naturally with the skin whitening mask. You will need 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of water. Mix the baking soda with the lemon juice and water and make a paste. Apply this paste on the areas you want to lighten and scrub for 5 minutes. Wash with water. Moisturize the area. Do this once a week. How does it work? Lemon juice has been used for many years for skin whitening. It contains properties that mildly bleach your skin and exfoliate its top layer. Lemon has vitamin C and citric acid that treats your irregular pigmentation, enlarged pores, and thus whitens your skin. Baking soda acts as an excellent exfoliant that removes dead skin cells and cellular damages throughout the applied skin. Due to its antibacterial properties, baking soda is capable of cleansing dead cells and the bacteria that can cause acne. It balances your pH levels with its amphoteric property that helps to neutralize the acid-alkaline nature of the skin. Precautions. It's always recommended to do a skin patch test before applying baking soda to know whether it irritates the skin, especially on sensitive areas. It's best to apply moisturizer after applying baking soda and also start using baking soda in small amounts and then gradually increase its quantity and frequency.